Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a quick little video of stuffing my home binder, and we are going to be tracking the denominations. Well, actually figuring out what we need to put in our binder. I have it all written down here, so let's go ahead and hop into here. And like I always ask you guys, I hope you guys are already having a wonderful day. No rain, the sun's out, it feels good, it's not too hot, the humidity is pretty much lower than what it was. I'm not saying the humidity is gone, but it is basically very low than what it was, because at first the humidity was like all right, so let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead and count our cash, and let's see how much we have. So we're going to stuff $205. And as you guys can see that I am pretty much starting my journey over. So you can see that I'm starting off with lower amounts. And like I said, I am okay with that, because I know that that's what I did at first. When I first started, I started off with lower amounts, and then it kind of progressed to bigger amounts. And even the lower amounts that I was stuffing, they added up to large amounts where I could like purchase things that I need. And I mean, it was pretty much mind blowing, because you're just like, I'm only putting $5 here and there, but if you keep adding $5 here and there, that stuff adds up. All right, so we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 205. So this is pretty much a low income stuffing, y'all. This is super low. Okay, so we have, I'm gonna just put my card here. All right, so we have 50, we have some 20s. Oops, we got 10. Okay, guys, so I have had a slew of back in stock alerts for the 52 weeks savings challenge. So those are being worked on now. So once I get all the books done, because I want, for those, I like to just have the books done and then release them. So if you want one of those, because the alerts are like crazy, they're like beep, 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 popping up like crazy. So if you do want one of those books, you will have to sign up for the alerts, because I have to do them like in sets and bulks, because I only can make a certain amount, and then when my niece can help me, we only can do a certain amount, and then we have to start over and do more. So just make sure that you set the alerts up, so that when I push that button saying that I have this certain amount available, you can go ahead and grab it. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and we are going to get the stuffing. You know what? I am actually going to move this over here, because my book is a little bit longer. So I think that would be a better idea to do. All right, what y'all think? Better? All right, that's better. Okay, so we're gonna start with floors and carpet. And I told you guys that we have carpet, but we kind of might want to do like the regular like laminate floor. So we're going to do $25. So we're going to add a 20 and a 5. I didn't got the 20s and the 10 mixed up. All right, so we're going to do a 20 and a 5, and let's see how much we have. So we already have 70, and we are adding $25, so that should make us have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $95. And like I said, it is a small amount, but if you keep, just think, if you keep adding cash to it, it's going to grow. All right, plumbing, we're only going to do $5, because I did take out the money for this, because we had our septic tank pumped, and we only have to do that for like 5 or 6 years after, so we're only going to add $5 to that. So 0. I was about to write 5. Okay. All right, so HVAC, so far it's a brand new HVAC, so we can take our time saving on that. But I know I say that, but you never know what can happen. You might need to get like a part or something for your HVAC, or get it maintenance or whatever. So I mean, putting money aside here and there is a very, very good idea. All right, so we already have $40 in here. All right, so we are going to be adding 20, so we're going to do one $20 bill. So we have 20, 40, 60. So we have $60. Okay. And then next we are going to be doing, I'm going to put this, will that be okay, y'all? I don't know. We'll do it like that. Does that look crazy? I don't know if that look, here, I'll just do it like this. I don't know if that look crazy or not. All right, so next we have lawn and yard. Now we are going to have to get some trees cut So I am going to add whatever I save for this to that money. Yeah, we have pine trees. They're like really messy trees. I didn't realize like how messy they are, but we have a few of them, so we're going to have to end up getting those cut down. So the lawn and yard will have to go with that. So we're actually going to do $50. We're going to add one $50 bill. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And you know how like a lot of times, like, what did I do? A lot of times like, is it wooders or lumbers? Is that what you call it? How they would like to take the wood with them. Like nobody wants to take the pine woods. I think it's like soft wood, and the little needles on there are crazy. Okay, so next we have countertops. Remember I said we have the older countertops, but they're not bad, but we could use newer countertops. We want to do $20, so one $20 bill. So we want to go ahead and get those. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70. All right, so we have $70. All right. So, and I kind of already got an estimate for Lowe's, like 2,500 would do like all of our countertops in granite. Not the expensive granite, but the regular granite. But you know, sometimes you can go already and check the price to see, just to kind of give yourself a goal to meet. I'm not pushing it, but that's kind of like to give yourself an idea of what you're saving for. So riding more, we're going to add $30. So we're actually going to do a 20 and a 10. And we have 50, 60, 65, 70, 75 already. All right. And then we're going to add $30. So 20, 10. So we got 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 105. Yay. I know they're like thousands of dollars, but hey, that's 100 less than what you would have to save for it, because you got it right here. All right, so next we're going to do furniture. And I didn't fill out my furniture card yet because I'm doing a debt tracker for my card. So this will be for when I buy stuff with cash. So I'd use my debt tracker, and I'll show you guys real quick. Don't mind at all. So this is my debt tracker right here. I'll bring it up. So this way I can, so that's why I like the disc, y'all. So that's why I was saying I want to try the disc this time for my budget book, because this sheet is one of the sheets that I have on in my shop. All I did was just pretty much print it out and then popped it in here. And they have color on them, so you can pop them in there. So that'll give you a splash of color, you know? So that's why I didn't actually add it on here. But this is for like if we go somewhere, we want to buy like a couch, we can just do with this with cash. All right, so we already have $40. So we're going to add 25. So 20 and a 5. So we should have 20, 40, 60, $65. All right, so next we have roof. So the roof is pretty good, so hopefully we don't need to do anything in a while for the roof. So that should last us a long time. All right, so roof we have, let's see how much we have in here. So we have $20 already, and we are going to be adding $15. So we're going to do 10. I told you guys, budgeting do not have to be complicated. You can do it how you want to make it easy. And see, we're almost pretty much done with this cash stuffing. So we got 20, 30, 35. So you don't have to be like overwhelmed or try to stuff more than you actually can stuff. Just stuff what you can stuff, because when you try to do more than what you can, then that's when you start getting in a bind, and then you have to start pulling money back out of your envelopes, which defeats the purpose of cash envelope stuffing your sinking funds. All right, so for appliances, would like some stainless steel appliances, that would be awesome. All right, so we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But we already have appliances, the white ones, and they already work, and they're fine, and they're actually like a nice quality. And so it's like, don't have to worry about fixing that. It doesn't make any sense for us to just switch the appliances when they actually work, when you can just pretty much just go ahead and save for it, and then actually you know, buy it when you have the cash to get it. Because now the furniture, y'all, we ain't got nowhere to sit, so we had to buy some furniture. So we got 10, 15, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So that's why we ended up just buying, we just needed that. We didn't go crazy with it. We just pretty much got what I do 10, 30. We just pretty much just got living room furniture for the upstairs, and our older couch we put it downstairs in the den, so that way if someone comes over, they have somewhere to sit, because ain't nobody had nothing to sit unless y'all want to sit on them camping chairs that we got. Right? All right, so we are pretty much done with this. All right, we'll put that there and there. Let's go ahead and add up our amounts. All right, y'all, so when the last time y'all seen homegirl right here? Y'all remember my calculator? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add this up. So we got $70 plus $40 plus $40 plus $50, 75, 40, 20, 15. All right, so we got $277. All right, this column up. So we have $95, $5, $60, 90, 70, 105, 65, 35, and 30. All right, so we got $555. Good deal. So this is why I told you guys I like to have these sinking fund breakdown sheets. And you can move them all around if you want to. That's another thing I do like about this discount is basically you can pop in more sheets if you need to, but this is for like extra cash stuffing sinking funds. Like it, say if you get like an extra $100, you can kind of do your little workout here to put where you're going to put it at. So that's why I have those sheets in there. All right, so but my budget planner might be a little bit different. This, like I said, is a mock, so I'm actually going to be getting them printed out, and yeah, so we will see how that work and how that goes. All right, guys, so thank you so much for chilling with me and through this video. You lasted. You made it. You made it. All right, so if you have not hopped over to my Instagram and also my new Facebook page is called A Pink Cloth Life that I just started, go ahead and follow me there. I guess like the page. And then also my TikTok is called A Pink Cloth Life. And then, like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.